to ask another question?
Yes, sure.
With that in mind, actually, talk about that. I put down like getting all that data and really start to peel away different layers of your life and actually really see it for what it is. How much you drink, how much you eat, where you go, blah, blah. Did you start to go, right, how I'd like to actually structure my life? How I'd actually like it to be? You could actually start to mind plan it. So
yeah. I think I definitely did. Because swimming, I've done several projects that have involved documenting my swimming. Oh, that's probably something else I should mention. That I am doing a project where I still document. Every time I go swimming, because I started it in 2002 with the intention of attempting to swim the distance across the Atlantic over the course of my lifetime. And I've only swum 900 kilometres yet, and I've got to get to 5,400. And then I'll have swum that distance. So yeah, I still document that. But because of that, I do know kind of what a perfect day would be and how it could be sort of most productive. That would always involve going swimming quite early on and then spending a certain amount of time writing emails and then eating some lunch and then kind of, yes.
So
I have kind of a plan.
So to some degree, that's actually a safety, rather than going. I mean, it's also a bit of a, you've trapped yourself in this thing, but at the same time, it's actually what you trap yourself at the point where it's safety. So, and you've already tried to get out of that thing, but actually maybe that's a safer place to be. I'm not sure. I mean,
well, I don't know. I think we can talk about it more productively. I think what you've done is through this process of data collection, you've broken your life down into its increment blocks, and from that you've understood the syntax of pleasure and the syntax of happiness, and then been able to build up your ideal day from an understanding of the incremental blocks of it. So rather than feeling that it's a barrier, I think you can see it as a toolbox that you now can use in a more organic way.
Yeah, that's a good way of seeing it actually. And it's almost like I don't need to make a big song or dance about how my day's structured. I can just get on with it now. And I don't have to tell everybody else about it.